How to add Spotify widget on MacBook. Now in this video, I'll show you a couple of steps for you to be able to add a widget Spotify on your MacBook. So the very first thing that you can do once you've downloaded Spotify on your MacBook or in a type of iOS, it will automatically be added into your home screen. However, there's actually a specific thing that you can do. Now open up your App Store for Mac, and then from the search box, you simply type in Spotify. Now hit on enter, and then this is where you can actually use one of the custom application that you can use to customize your Spotify widget. You simply download it in your Mac and then change colors, and take note that you can only change the playlist widget and has to be the same on the playlist that you have in your Spotify account. And that's it. That's how you add Spotify widget on MacBook.